Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the which festivals we will celebrate in our home, and also how we decorate house during festivals, and how do you help our elders during these days, and also write 4 lines about an important festival celebrated in our home. And also make a list of different festivals celebrated in our state and also in our country, and and observe a situation of fair and activities going on fair. All those things we learn here in this class. Okay. And also what we will brought when we are going to fair, all these things learn with a sing and enjoy. Okay. So now let us see one by one. Before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. So in last class we discussed about, or we learned about the how we celebrate the Deepavali festival. So Deepavali is an important festival for us. We will celebrate festival for 3 days. Okay. First day is Naraka Chaturdashi, second day is Go Puja and as well as Lakshmi Puja, that means worshipping of cows and worshipping of goddess of wealth. So third day is Bali Partimi, and also during these 3 days we light lamps, eat sweets and shares with neighbors. So we enjoy firework and crackers, we enjoy festivals very much. So this is all about the Deepavali festival, how we celebrate the Deepavali festival. So next, Ramzan is also an important festival for us. So in the month of Ramzan we fast during the day. So we fast during the day, and the last day we celebrate the festival. So we prepare the special dishes and sweets on that day. So that means on last day, so friends, neighbors greet with each other. So we eat sweets and shares with neighbors. So this is all about the celebration of Ramzan festival. So next Christmas is an important festival for us, and also on this festival we decorate the Christmas tree and hang gifts on it. So that means hang gifts on tree. So friends and relatives visit our home on this day. So we greet each other and enjoy the festival. Okay. Here also we greet each other and enjoy the festival. So okay. Here Ramesh, Nagina and Robin have described the festivals, how they are celebrated in their homes. So now, which festivals do you celebrate in your home? So Ugadi, Dasara, Sankranti, Deepavali, Ramzan and Christmas. All these festivals we will celebrate in our home. So once again repeat it: Ugadi, Dasara, Sankranti, Deepavali, Ramzan and Christmas. And also, how do you decorate house during festivals? How do you help your elders during these days? So decorated by lighting up lamps and candles are beautifully decorated lanterns. So clean houses and their surroundings together. So clean houses and surroundings together. Okay. Here decorated by lighting up lamps, and also candles are beautifully decorated lanterns, and also here elders are together clean houses and their surroundings. Okay. So here also we will write 4 lines about the important festival celebrated in our home. So here we take Deepavali festival. Deepavali festival is an important festival for us. So we will celebrate the festivals for 3 days. We celebrated Naraka Chaturdashi on first day, and Go Puja as well as Lakshmi Puja on second day. On third day we will celebrate it as Bali Partimi. So this is all about the how we celebrate the Deepavali festival in our home. Okay. So next, who visit who visit your home on the festivals day? Neighbors, so friends and relatives. All these are so visit to our home on festival days. Okay. So what are different dishes prepared on the festival day in your home? So cashew burfi, jalebi, mutton biryani, so badam kheer, gulab jamun, all these dishes prepared in our home so on the festival days. Okay. So what is your favorite dish? Why? Tell it your friends. Chicken chili is my favorite dish. So because it is very nice and delicious Chinese food. That's why so it is my favorite food. Okay. So we will ask a question. We will also questions to you. So what is your favorite dish and why? Tell it your friends. Why it is a favorite dish. So next, festivals bring family members, relatives, friends and neighbors together. So festivals bring family members, relatives, friends and neighbors together. Okay. So you told about the festival celebrated in your home. So write the names of festivals where all the people, your places or locality gather together to celebrate them. So Yugadi, Sankranti, so Mahashivratri, Pongal, Holi, Dasara, Bakrid, so Good Friday. So all these festivals we celebrated so together with family members, relatives, friends and neighbors also. Okay. I will once again repeat it. So Yugadi, Sankranti, so Mahashivratri, Pongal, Holi, Dasara, Bakrid and Good Friday. So all these festivals we are celebrated with family members, relatives, friends and neighbors also. Okay. And also here is a situation of a fair. Okay. Identify the activities going on here and write the space given below. Say who are doing these activities. So here you should observe and write the so what are the activities going on here, who are doing these activities. Okay. So next you should know this all the people of the place or locality gather together and celebrate some festivals. So pair also community festivals. A pair is also called as Utsav or Urus. Here a pair is also called as Utsav or Urus. All the people work collectively so in these festivals and enjoy. All the people work collectively, so that means all the people work together in these festivals and enjoy. So here is a poem is there, so sing and enjoy. So I went to the fair, so to our village fair, so all my friends assembled there. So assembled means join there. So we enjoyed together with wonderful sights. So sweets and entertainments with wonderful sights, sweets and entertainment. So have made me fair. So let us see another poem about the fair. So I went to a fair. What did you bring? I went to a fair. What did you bring? So I brought a pair of scissors. Okay. So next, I went to a fair. What did you bring? I brought a bell. So you also write poems on fair. Okay. So this is complete of your lesson. Thank you and all.